how are you all? Welcome back to Usha Sunshine. Today, Usha Sunshine is presenting you types of flowers. So, in this video, we will be discussing the types of flowers. Tulip. Tulips are of spring blooming perennial herbaceous. It means having bulbs as storage organs. Flowering in the spring, they become dormant in the summers. Then poppy. Poppies are herbaceous plants often grown for their colorful flowers. One species of poppy is the source of narcotic drug which contains powerful medicinal alkaloids such as morphine and has been used since ancient times. Then rhys. Rhyses are perennial plants growing from creeping rhizomes or in drier climates from bulbs. They have long, erect flowering stems which may be simple. And then sunflower. The sunflower is a living annual plant in the family Asteraceae with a large flower head, and the stem of the flower can grow up to 3 meters tall. Then Narcissus. Narcissus has flowers with 6 petal-like tepals surrounded by a cup or trunk-shaped corona. The flowers are generally white and yellow. Then Cyclamen. Cyclamen is a tuberous spotted plant that flowers during the winter months. The flowers reflex back from the center and are available in single, double, fringed, crested, and frilled forms. And then Carnation. Carnation, also called clove pink, herbaceous plant of the pink or carnation, native to the Mediterranean area. It is widely cultivated for its spring petal flowers which often have a spicy fragrance. Then daisy. A daisy is a flowering plant with a large star-shaped head that has cluster of flowers surrounded a center disc of yellow or black florets. And then orchid. Orchids are flowers from the Orchidaceae family, which is one of the largest plant families represented by tens of thousands of different species. Despite the vast number of orchids. So this is today's video. I hope you have enjoyed. But yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Usha Sunshine. Thank you.